Many of you have asked this question in the comment or in my Instagram handle that I'm totally beginner. I don't know anything about the Web 2 and Web 3. I'm totally beginner. So what should I learn first? Should I learn the JavaScript or should I learn the Web 3 or smart contract development? You have understood that you are a beginner, you don't have any technical background, you don't know any programming language. For them, I would recommend you that you have to start with the JavaScript. I'm not telling you to be master in JavaScript. You have to know 10 to 20%. Because that's JavaScript is going to help you a lot, because when you will write the smart contract, you need to test that smart contract, and you're going to do that using the JavaScript framework hard at truffle. That's going to help you for testing the smart contract. If you want to communicate with the blockchain with your smart contract, you need to use the libraries, Web3 models, Ether.js. So these are the packages written in JavaScript which allow you to communicate with the blockchain. So JavaScript is absolutely not negotiable. You have to learn. I'm not telling you to be the master, because that's a huge topic. I want you to learn basics. I want you to familiarize yourself with the syntax, with the formulas, with the variables, with the data types, because once you have the knowledge in the JavaScript, the 90% work is done. The same syntax, the same architecture, the same data models you will find in the Solidity smart contract as well when you will learn the Solidity. So you have to learn JavaScript. It's absolutely not negotiable. That's going to help you in multiple ways. So if you are a beginner, focus on the JavaScript, learn the JavaScript, but besides that, you can also focus on the Solidity as well. I'm not telling you that first you have to be master on JavaScript, then you will come to the Solidity development. Just you can learn both the things simultaneously. Okay, so if you learn the 10% of the JavaScript, 20% of JavaScript, you can start with the Solidity development. And you will find that when you will learn both the technology together, you will find there is a huge similarity and you will enhance your knowledge. Okay, so there is no doubt that you have to learn the JavaScript if you are a complete beginner, and if you are intermediate who already have a background of the Web 2 space and he know how to build the applications in Web 2 space, like simple dApp, Web 2 application, static website. So you already have the knowledge. So you can simply move to the Solidity smart contract development, learn the fundamentals about the blockchains, how the blockchain work, protocol, behaviors, everything, build application, use the Solidity smart contract, write smart contract, test smart contract, use all the existing framework which are there, which allow you to communicate with the blockchains, including the project. Okay, so that's the two type of developer. So first is completely beginner, the second one is intermediate, and the third one is advanced. In the advanced section, you already know the other programming language, maybe C, C++, or Java or JavaScript. So if you have a background of any one of those programming language, you can straight away jump and you can start focusing on the smart contract, go to the security, go to the testing. Okay, you can focus on that. But if you are totally beginner, again I'm telling you, I'm highlighting here that you have to start with the JavaScript, spend 1 month at least in the JavaScript, focus on that, and that will become very smooth when you will start coding the smart contract. You will see how fast you will do. So start learning the JavaScript without any doubt. Learn JavaScript. So for the beginner, what I would recommend you that you have to take this course if you really want to learn about this JavaScript. Okay, so the course by the name Jonathan on Udemy, it would cost you more than, like in Indian rupees, it costs me only 300 rupees. And the kind of knowledge you will get, you won't get in any universities, the way he have taught that. Okay, so take his course. It's a pretty huge course. He has covered almost every single thing in that. He will build beautiful and powerful projects. He talk about data structure, he talk about deconstructure, he talk so many things. And that's the one resource I found that's helped me a lot. The smart contract development becomes very easy for me, so I can easily able to write the smart contract because I have the clear understanding about the JavaScript. Because if you put the JavaScript and smart contract together, they both are same. Okay, so must check this course, check his course, he's really good. I'll link in the description so you guys can follow that from there. Okay, so with that, I'm ending this video. Hope you guys have got your answer, and if you have still any confusion, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. So next time I'll try to cover that question, and I hope your doubt will get clear. So do let me know that if you have still any doubt about this, whether you have to learn the JavaScript or not, do let me know in the comment section.